Hi, and welcome to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a stapler who is excited to be going back to school. He's excited to staple some homework. So this one will go along with the happy crayons and the happy backpack from the past couple of days. So I will also be adding some more this week, so let me know if you want a certain one in the comments. So right now I'm gluing down the Hooray for homework, which is not hard. It just takes a while with all those little letters. And then I switched the video, so sorry about that. So now we're putting the stapler together and you guys can see how easy it is. There's only a couple of layers left. You can see the print and cut on the upper part of the screen. That's what it will look like. It's a lot smaller, but that's what he will look like when he is all done. So now we're going to add the face and the cute little cheeks. Comment down below if there are any supplies you want to see in the next couple of days. Hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.